make a bracelet with me. So I was thinking that it would be a frolicking in the garden theme. Flowers, hearts, cat chasing the stars. It would be a reminder to stay free and playful. So I sketched each charm at least 2 by 2 cm, since they'll shrink about 45%. I painted them with gouache and carefully cut at different angles. When arranging the designs, I'm planning for 2 options. First version, I'll have the chain at the sides. The other one would be dangling from the top. I mark where to punch the holes, leaving about 1 to 2 mm from the edges. Confetti! Yay! And into the oven they go. Oh no! My paint was too thick. and it got flaky. I tried brushing off the dried paint to see what I could save. In the end, these are the few survivors left. Quickly glaze to seal the color and add some shine. To chain it up, we'll need a chain, split rings and a hook. 18K gold plated is the best, otherwise they will rust, especially with sweaty palms like mine. And here's the final product, and I think they are pretty cute. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe for more pretties.